Chop. To cut into small pieces. Please chop the onions for the salad. Dice. To cut into small cubes. Dice the carrots before adding them to the stew. Slice. To cut into thin, flat pieces. She sliced the tomatoes for the sandwich. Grate. To shred into fine pieces. Grate some cheese over the pasta. Mince. To finely chop or grind. You should mince the garlic for the sauce. Peel. To remove the outer skin or covering. Peel the apples before making the pie. Blend. To mix ingredients thoroughly. Blend the ingredients until smooth. Stir. To mix using a circular motion. Stir the soup to prevent it from sticking. Mix to combine ingredients. Mix the flour and eggs to make the batter. Whisk. To beat or mix rapidly. Whisk the eggs until they become frothy. Beat. To mix or stir vigorously. Beat the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Fold. To gently combine ingredients. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mousse. Knead. To work dough by pressing and folding. Knead the dough until it becomes elastic. Marinate. To soak food in a seasoned liquid. Marinate the chicken overnight for better flavor. Grill. To cook food over an open flame or heat. We're going to grill some burgers for dinner. Roast. To cook food in an oven or over a fire. She roasted a chicken for Sunday dinner. Bake. To cook food in an oven. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Fry. To cook food in hot oil or fat. Fry the potatoes until they turn golden brown. Boil. To cook in boiling water or liquid. Boil the pasta until it's al dente. Simmer. To cook gently over low heat. Simmer the sauce for 20 minutes to enhance the flavors. Steam. To cook using steam. Steam the vegetables until they're tender. Sauté. To cook quickly in a small amount of oil or fat over high heat. Sauté the onions until they're translucent. Sear. To cook quickly over high heat to seal in juices. Sear the steak for a minute on each side. Poach. To cook gently in liquid. Poach the eggs in simmering water. Season. To add salt, spices, or herbs for flavor. Season the dish with salt and pepper. Garnish. To decorate or embellish a dish. Garnish the salad with fresh herbs. Baste. To moisten food while cooking. Baste the turkey with its own juices. Glaze. To coat with a glossy, flavorful liquid. Glaze the cake with melted chocolate. Reduce. To cook a liquid until it thickens or evaporates. Reduce the sauce to a thick consistency. Plate. To arrange food on a plate. Plate the dish with a sprinkle of parsley.